Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of the ultimate gaming and streaming studio build. I'm just going to give you an update on how it's progressing. This is actually the old office slash studio that I used to game in and stream in, and if you remember there was a red wall behind. So you can see that red wall actually on the right hand side there. That's the leftovers, the remnants of that wall. We're actually turning this into a dining room now. There's an additional window on the left there which lets a lot more light in, as well as that window at the back, which is excellent. So the stairs you've seen before in previous videos, to the right of those stairs, under it, we're going to have a cupboard where we can store, things like our shoes and our jackets and stuff like that. You can see the garden out the back there. We have some AstroTurf plastic grass down, one of the best purchases I ever made. It's like having a carpet outside and saves a lot of work and stops the dog running mud everywhere. And so you go up the stairs, you come through the door, and here's the room taking shape, as you can see. So all the plastering is now done in this room. That wall on the left there is soundproofed. I forgot to mention that in previous videos. But yeah, a nice soundproof wall to stop any sound leaking through into the bedrooms the other side. You got the light at the top. I'm going to have a big long office light along the top there, and then the other cable on the right is the smoke alarm. So there's actually been a change of plan, guys, because I was going to have a corner desk in there, like I said, but having measured it, I think it's going to be a little bit too cramped. So what we've decided to do, rather than have a corner desk there and have that desk run along the side wall, which is going to take up quite a lot of room because it's a fairly narrow room as it is, we've decided to have Mrs. B's desk in that corner, like just one desk all the way across, and then I'm going to have my setup the other end where that big window is. I managed to get a really good deal from a place called Worktop Express that sell kitchen worktops. I got a 4 metre piece of walnut worktop which we're simply going to cut to size. So Mrs. B is going to have her desk there with a nice walnut worktop, and then I'll cut another piece for my desk the other end of the room, which should also really help open it up and create a lot more space in the centre of the room. There's King coming up to have a look, checking out his new room. It's really getting there now. We now need to paint and put the floor in.